Hey guys, Ms. Simpson here, and I just want to record a quick video going over how to convert metric measurements. And so metric measurements are, they can be a little complicated sometimes when it comes to conversions. However, we are going to use a pretty simple way to convert measurements by using the chart that is displayed down here at the bottom. So I have circled that in purple. So we have kilo, hecta, deca. We're going to call this base, deci, centi, milli. Okay. And there's a great vocabulary I'm going to try to share with you guys that reviews this that really helps you remember like which order these go in. So kilo, hecta, deca, base, deci, centi, milli. Okay. Base, you'll notice that there's three different things listed in that yellow box: meters, liters, and grams. Okay. Because you can, that's like just your base, but you can have kilometers or hectometers or decameters. You can have kiloliters, hectoliters, decaliters. You can have decagram, hectogram, kilogram. So we really have to pay attention to which one they start off with, and then that will help us know where to start and where to end, okay? And so I know that might sound a little complicated, but when we are doing problems together, this will make more sense. So that chart's on page 611. Okay, we're going to skip over this a little bit. All right, so we're going to look at number 3. And I'm going to write down that chart. So it's kilo, hecta, deca, base, which is meters, liters, grams, deci, centi, milli. Okay? So we're going from centimeters to meters. So I want you to write down the number, 4,250. Okay? Now we're starting at centimeters. I'm going to put a dot right here. That's where we're starting, right? And we're going to meters. So that means that I have to hop 2 times to the left. So you are going to do the same thing with the decimal point. I'm going to start at the end of that number, and I'm going to go 2 times to the left. And that is my answer. I just got to make sure I have my decimal point in there. Okay? So, okay, on the next problem, we're going from milliliters to liters. Milliliter starts here. So I'm going to put a dot, okay? And actually, let's put our dot underneath. I'm going to fix that. And we're going to put our dot underneath. Sorry. This is a better strategy. Then we're going to go over to liters. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3 to the left. So in 6,000, there's no decimal points. That means that my decimal's at the end. I'm going to move 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. Just like you did down at the bottom at our chart. So really, the only thing you have to memorize is the chart at the bottom. Okay? I need to make my eraser a little bit smaller. I keep erasing like everything. Okay, so next we're going from decagrams to centigrams. Decagrams to centigrams. So I'm starting at the DG. So if you forget what each thing means, you can always refer back to this chart that we talked about earlier. Okay, decagrams. It would have to say DAG to be decagrams. So that's actually decigrams. Decigrams. I said that wrong. That is totally my bad. There we go. Decigrams to centigrams. So we're going to start right here. And we're going to go to centigrams. So we're going to go over 1 to the right. So in the number 4, there's no decimal, so it's right here. So because I went 1 to the right there, I'm going to go 1 to the right here. There's not a number in that space, so I have to put a 0. So my answer is 40. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. So I have grams, and I'm going to milligrams. So grams is actually right here, and oopsie, grams is right here, and milligrams down the end. So 1, 2, 3. That means I go 1, 2, 3, and fill in the zeros. So that's 7,000. When you get down to number 9, you are once again wanting to compare apples to apples, or comparing the same units to the same units. So we have to convert one of the two. So if I have kilo, hecta, deca, base, which is meters, liters, grams, deci, centi, milli, and I have hectograms here and kilograms here, I need to convert one of those to make them the same thing. So I'm going to convert the kilograms, this one into hectograms. So that means I got to move 1 over, right? So I move 1 over. So then I'm comparing 32 hectograms to 32 hectograms. Those are equal. So you're just converting one of them, and then you're comparing them, greater than, less than, or equal to see, if they're equal or if one's greater than the other. Remember that the Pac-Man or the alligator eats the bigger number, okay? So if I was converting number 10, this is the last one we will do. I have kilometers and meters. So I'm going to I'll convert the kilometers to meters, okay? So 6 kilometers, I would go 1, 2, 3. So it would be 1, 2, 3. So I have 6,000 compared to 660. 6,000 is bigger. Okay. You will use this video to help you with 2 of your worksheets this week. And this is one of the last things that we will learn for your test. Let us know if you need any help.